Start. Start just now.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to take the third lesson, only grammar. Maybe you learned everything in 5th class now. Again, I am telling here, we are going to know what are the regular and what are the irregular. This is a very important one. Okay? So, regular means very easy manner, I will tell. Which verb ends with the ed and d? You remember it. What are the tenses ends with the ed and d? Are you understanding, ma? What words ends with the ed and d? That are regular verbs. Easily you can understand. Okay? So I wrote some examples. Play, played. Say, said. Dance, danced. Jump, jumped. Work, worked. Pay, paid. So all these verbs ends with the d. Ed or d, that words are known as the regular verbs. Okay. So what are the irregular means? Which verb not ends with the d or ed, that are irregular. You know very well, up to from 3rd class to 5th class you learned tenses, present tense and past tense, past to participle. Okay, ma? So irregular means which are not ends with the ed and d, that are irregular verbs. Okay, so regular means ends with the ed and d. Which are not ends with the ed and d, that are irregular. Is there ed, ma? No. Cut, 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 don't write cutted. Cut, cut, cut. Put, take, took, taken. Bring, brought. See, saw, seen. Give, gave, given. Ate, eaten. Take, took, taken. Okay? All these verbs are known as the irregular. Have you understood, ma? So, whenever teacher asks to regular or irregular verbs you write, you can easily remember what verbs ends with the ed and d, that are regular. Which are not ends with the ed and d, that are the irregular. Is it clear? Okay. Now, I am going to take the poem. What is that poem? Here in the textbook, page at 64, my dependent. Depend means independent, opposite to independent. Independent means independent. Dependent, we are depending upon the others. Independent means free. Okay. Here, my dependence. The author is Rabindranath Tagore. So let me read what are the characters of the Rabindranath Tagore. 1861 to 1941 was considered the greatest writer in modern Indian literature. A Bengali poet. He was a Bengali poet and novelist, educator and a Nobel laureate for literature in the year of 1913. Tagore was awarded knighthood in 1915. So he was a poet, he was a novelist and educator. So he wrote this poem. That poem is My Dependence. My Dependence. Why we have to depend? Sometimes from lower section to in some section, some age, we have to depend upon the others, depend upon our parents. When we are growing, we don't like to depend upon the others. Why? Because we are the grown up. But here, a small child maybe. So he was telling why we have to depend. I like to be dependent. So the boy, the person, the narrator saying he likes to be dependent, and so forever with the warmth and care of my mother. My mother look after me very well, so I have to depend upon my mother. My father to love, kiss and embrace. Embrace means hugging. So when you are small children, parents look after you in very cleanly, very nicely, very carefully. Why? Because that is the age to look after. Okay, that's what parents are showing their love. Sometimes parents kiss you when they love and like. Actually, parents will like and love their children, no? So here the narrator saying, I like to be dependent. Why? Because my parents are looking after me. My parents love me. My parents kiss me. My parents hug me, embrace me, where life happily in all their grace. Grace means showing the mercy. Under the parents' dependence, we never get any harm. We will be very happy. Why? Because parents are looking after. That's what I like to live. I like to live depend upon the parents, upon the others. And second stanza, I like to be dependent, and so forever on my kith and kin, but they all shower. Shower means here they gave the meaning, give a great number of things. Why I have to live? Why I have to depend upon the kith and kin? Because they give a number of things. Why? Because whenever we like anyone, we'll give whatever they like. Okay, so here the narrator wanted to depend upon the kith and kin because they wanted to give more things, harsh and warm advisors. They'll give the advices not to do that, not to do this, not to go there. My kith and kin will give the advisors. They will give, they won't harm me. They will give the advisor. Then complaints, full wandering, true and info James, true, not false. So kith and give will give the advisors and everything they will tell the only true but not the false. Like that, I want to depend upon the kith and kin. First one, I have to depend upon my parents because I got some happy life. Then I have to depend upon the kith and kin because they will give the advisors. They will love me, they like me, so they are giving the advisor. Those who are liked by us, they will give the advisors. And the third one, I like to be dependent and so forever for my friend. First one is the parent, and second one is the kith and kin, and third one friends. Most probably every parent telling you make the good friendship. Friendship means those who are not having the big bungalows and cars and ACs, not that one. Who are the good and polite, that is the good friendship. So sometimes you are taking the friendship band. Band means it will be very strong one. Okay, ma? Rubber band is there. Why we keep the rubber bands here? This is the rubber one. Why? Because it will be very tight. Like that, our friendship also very tight one. So third one is the friends. Why I have to depend upon my friend? Because they chat and want me near with the domestic, family and romantic tip. Colleagues as well guides me, work at a risk. Whatever any problem, my friends are chatting me when I am feeling sad, chatting me. They will be very close me. They will be very domestic with. They will pet me. They will pet domestic and so there no. So they will pet me. They'll make me, they'll love me, they'll chat me, then they will family and romantic team. They are not only my colleagues, colleagues means friends, not only my colleagues, they will give all the good only. They love me because they chat me, they like me. So I want to depend upon the friends. First one is the parent, and second one is the kith and kin, and third one is the friends. And fourth one, I like to be dependent and so forever for my neighbors too. Neighbor too, who are living beside our house. We have to be make friendly nature with them also. So why? When we are friendly with the neighbor, they will be friendly with you. When you are fighting always, they will make the enmity. No, there is enmity between you and your neighbor. So we should not have that type of the friendship. So why I have to depend upon the neighbors too, envy at times, enmity at times, when at my rise for fortune, like to hear my daily steps easy and odd things too. Why I have to make the friendship? They have to observe me. They will observe what are the steps I'm taking, how I'm growing, then what is my fortune, what is my what I'm doing in my future. They will be appreciating me. That's what I have to depend upon my neighbors. First one is the parent, and second one kith and kin, and third one is the friend, and fourth one is the neighbor. So how to depend? Sometimes we will be very careful with all, not parents, friends, then kith and kin, and then third one is the neighbor. Because when we are going, they may feel jealousy. Okay, they are not the friend. Friend is not having the any jealousy. They should not feel. So friend always friend only. So those who are helping in needy, they are only good friend. Those who are in needy, if they run, they are not the friend. That's why when we are selecting the friends, we should be very, very careful. What? Have you understood now? Is it clear? Is it nice? Okay, one thing I want to ask, why you are not writing the exams? You are not sure. Only few people are sending their answers in the WhatsApp. Are you not showing the interest, ma'am? Only few. In 2 sections, only few are there. Some names I remembered. Then Lasya, then Sahasra, then Ajay, and so, okay, the remaining people, what they are doing, ma? So you have to send your answers through the WhatsApp. For some are not receiving the this photos and WhatsApp. Why? When you are in the group, definitely you will get the answers and question answers. Everything will get, no. So why? Please, you should have the patience. You are the small children, no. That too, you came to the 6th class. If you are not showing interest, you will be losing. Okay, ma? Teachers are sending everything. So try to do your work with the patience. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Okay, bye.